Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video on patterns in this dog. And if you just go to black and white designs or black and white patterns, you'll come up, they're simple, abstract, art, flower, geometric, cool, and then you just pick one of any of these designs. There's a really cool one that would fit in that dog, and it's a large file. Matter of fact, that looks like one of the ones that's used. Maybe we'll do that one. So I'm going to double click on it. It's going to take just a second for my laptop to bring it into a, basically it's getting that one picture off the internet. Maybe we won't waste time. But here's one I picked, and very easily resample it. It's a low resolution, so let's make it 300 dots per inch, press OK. You really don't have to do anything, and by reducing it to about what we need, now if we go to bitmap and look at resample, and now it's 737 because we've reduced it. It's already black and white. We don't have to convert it. I'm going to trace bitmap, outline, trace, clip art. It still wants to reduce it because it's such a large file. There's really not too much on this particular pattern you need to do. It takes a second for Corel to do its thing, and then your top one is going to be on the top, or your new one is going to be on the top. I'm going to create a little yellow box. I'm going to put it to the back of the page. I've got a hotkey for that, but it's under arrange and order. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Let's take our graphic and go up to arrange and ungroup all objects. And if we get lucky, well, that's not going to be as neat of a pattern, but I'm going to show you how you can get rid of all the whites or all the blacks. So we're going to select this. We're going to go up to edit, find and replace, find object, start a new search. We're going to find a field, a uniform field, next. Click on specific, get your eyedropper tool, and let's select all the black. Hit next, finish, find all, X out of the program and move all the blacks away. So all your whites are left. We'll delete all the whites. We'll bring our yellow box back in. Well, the whites are still there. Delete them. Let's group this together, Control G. And now let's move it, and all the whites are gone. So that would be a pretty cool pattern. We're going to get it. You know what? Let's flip it 90 degrees. Let's make it a little bit bigger so it all fit in the dog. Your pattern is grouped. So go up to arrange, power clip, place inside frame, and I made one mistake because I moved my dog. You don't want to ever move the dog because we're going to use the nudge factor. Arrange, power clip, place inside frame, and then we can cursor over and cursor down. And there's you a new pattern for your dog off the internet. Let's see if that other one loaded. It did. All you have to do is press copy, right click your mouse, bring it into Corel with your pick tool, right click, paste. It's going to put it in the center of the page. My center of the page is way over there. It's a pretty small graphic. And I tell you what, I'm going to cut the video short. This one might be a little problem, and I might make another one. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.